First up on our list is web development. Development, my friends, is the art and science of building websites. It's a skill that allows you to create everything from simple blogs to complex web applications. It's like learning a new language, but instead of communicating with people, you're communicating with computers. Now you might ask, why is web development profitable? Well, think about it. In this digital age, every business, every brand, and even every individual influencer wants to have an online presence. And what's the best way to establish that? A website. So as a skilled web developer, you become the much-needed bridge between businesses and their digital goals. Where can you learn web development, you ask? Plenty of places. Websites like Coursera and Skillshare offer a wide range of courses from beginner to advanced levels. You can start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are the building blocks of web development. Then, you can gradually move on to more advanced topics like responsive design, server-side programming, and databases. Master web development. Practice is key. Start by building simple websites and gradually take on more complex projects. You can even contribute to open-source projects to gain real-world experience. Remember, every line of code you write is a step closer to becoming a proficient web developer. Now let's talk about the potential income streams. As a freelance web developer, you can earn money by building websites for clients, maintaining and updating existing websites, or even teaching web development to others. Moreover, if you create a unique web application, you can even monetize it through advertisements or subscription fees. So, whether you're looking for a full-time career or a side hustle, web development offers numerous opportunities. It's a skill that requires patience and persistence, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Development can be your gateway to a promising freelance career. Moving on, we have social media marketing. This skill is a powerhouse in the digital age. It's all about effectively using social media platforms to connect with your audience, build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. Now you might wonder, why is social media marketing profitable? Well, just think about it. There are roughly 3 billion social media users worldwide. That's a vast audience waiting to discover products, services, and brands. As a social media marketer, your role is to bridge the gap between businesses and potential customers. In this role, you could be creating engaging posts, running social media campaigns, analyzing engagement data, or managing a brand's online reputation. Each of these tasks requires a good understanding of how different social media platforms work and how to engage with audiences in a meaningful, authentic way. So where can you learn this skill? There are plenty of online platforms such as Coursera or Skillshare offering comprehensive courses in social media marketing. These platforms provide a mix of free and paid courses to fit various learning styles and budgets. Now, learning is one thing, but practice is what truly makes perfect. To master social media marketing, start by creating your own social media profiles. Experiment with different types of content, track your engagement, and adjust your strategy based on your findings. You could also volunteer to manage social media for a local business or a non-profit organization. Once you've honed your skills, you can start making money. As a freelancer, you can offer your services to businesses directly. Alternatively, you might work as a social media manager for a company, or even start your own digital marketing agency. The potential income can vary greatly, but with experience and a solid portfolio, you can command competitive rates. With businesses going digital, social media marketing is a skill that's in high demand. It's a dynamic, creative, and rewarding field that offers numerous opportunities for those willing to dive in and learn. So why not give it a shot? You might just discover your new passion and a profitable new income stream. Quite a journey we've had today, right? We've traversed through a world of opportunities, exploring a variety of skills that can help you tap into diverse streams of income. From the intricate art of web development to the dynamic realm of social media marketing, we've unlocked doors to potential financial prosperity and personal growth. Let's recall the power of web development, a skill that can open opportunities in today's digital age. With an increasing number of businesses going online, web developers are in high demand. So why not dive into this profitable skill and surf the waves of the digital revolution? And let's not forget social media marketing, a skill that has become a game changer in the modern business landscape. Harnessing the power of social platforms can lead to incredible reach and revenue. With the right strategies, you could become a key player in this exciting field. Each skill that we've discussed today carries the potential to not only increase your income but also enrich your life in unexpected ways. Whether it's graphic design, content writing, or data analysis, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you to explore. However, remember that alone is not enough. It's action that turns potential into reality. So I encourage you, yes, you, to take a step forward. Choose a skill that resonates with you and start learning today. There are numerous resources available online, from Coursera to Skillshare. So equip yourself with the knowledge, practice diligently, and watch as you transform from a learner to a proficient money-making professional. And of course, we're here to support you on this journey. So don't be a stranger. Reach out, ask questions, share your progress. We're in this together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Remember, the first step to success is taking action. Start learning a new skill today.